If you're forced to stay indoors at the moment like a lot of us, then grab your 360 camera and have some fun with these indoor 360 photo tricks. These photo tricks form part of a 60-second video that I released a year ago, but recently they won a Young Gun award from Insta360. And this photo is being used by Insta360 as their main banner photo in their home photo tricks challenge. So I thought now would be a really good time to show this video again in the hope that it will help you pass the time and improve your 360 skills while you're sat at home. And after I've played the 60-second video, I'll give you some indoor shooting tips for shooting photos at home. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rich and this channel is dedicated to making 360 easier for everyone so you can have more fun with your 360 camera. So please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're told straight away when I upload more videos. So now on to the indoor shooting tips. Give your 360 camera as much light as you can give it so you get the best shot that you can get. Turn on additional lights and open up curtains and blinds to let more light into the room. And remember, if you position your camera next to a window or next to a glass door, that it's going to struggle to get exposure for indoors because it will expose for the outdoor light. So think about the positioning of the camera in the room, and if you need to, use manual settings to help you out. To have even more control indoors, try and use the built-in HDR on your camera if you have it. This will give you a more even exposure throughout the shadows to the highlights. Use a tripod, especially when using HDR mode. This will help prevent camera shake, which could result in blurred images. Be mindful of the stitch line and don't place any objects right on top of the stitch line or place your camera too close to any objects, and this includes your hands. If you're using the Insta360 ONE X, then the app is really accurate, so use it to guide you. Experiment with the distance between you and the camera, and the closer you are to the camera, the bigger and more distorted things will be in shot. There's no right or wrong distance, it just depends how you want the shot to look. For an inverted planet, whatever you put the camera on or near will create the outside of the photo, so the wall of the tunnel. So whatever you put it on, make sure it's an interesting texture or an interesting pattern like tiles or pattern carpet, etc. Think about the symmetry of the shot and make the shot pleasing to the eye. Consider your positioning, so position yourself at the top or the middle. If there are other objects in the shot, then give the photo some symmetry, put things opposite you. Play around with everything that's in the shot, make everything meaningful and make the whole visuals flow. If you're going to appear in your shot, then make sure you're in the shot, you're part of the photo. Don't let the camera capture you checking your app or looking off to one side. This is your chance to shine and use your best acting skills. Have fun with it, there is no right or wrong. We're going to spend a lot of time indoors over the next coming months, and this is a really good time to experiment with your 360 camera and learn a lot more about it and improve your skills. Please share this video if you know someone else that will find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.